Under the new education policy, there has been inclusion of AI and computational thinking programs since class 3. Now, it would be compulsory for grades 9 and 10. Now, CBSE has drafted a progressive curriculum which would focus on computational thinking, artificial intelligence, and this would be an initiative to build on the skilled modules would be implemented for the academic year 26-27 aligned to the new education policy. The materials and the training material would be ready by December. The teachers training programs would start then, and then the advanced computational thinking and AI becomes one of the mandatory subjects. For primary, there would be 50 hours of curriculum which would be required. For middle and senior, there would be 125 hours of curriculum including projects and specialized computer science instructions which would be given. For the primary, it would be taught by the general teachers. For the secondary and middle school, it would be taught specifically by the computer science teacher. Now, for the initial grades, grade 3 to 5, it is in the integration phase where the idea of AI and computational thinking being included for the world around us is a major idea. For middle grades, it is major focus on exploring with supplementary resources, handbooks and worksheets. For secondary, it is mainly specialization, either in the form of a elective core or machine learning programs. So starting early, increasing the depth and changing its status is some of the major ideas, with core competency on problem solving, pattern identification, technology application and ethical usage. So those are some of the basic ideas of introduction of AI and computational thinking from grade 3 in CBSE board. Thanks for joining. Of course, we'll be including more interesting sessions for you. This one is highly important for your UGC NET upcoming examination as well. Thank you.